whatever week it is. I don't know what working energy is 8, yeah. 9 is more about energy. So we're just gonna do this. I don't even know if the noise will work. There's the guy. No, the noise isn't working. Well, maybe it is. My noise just isn't turned up. Okay. So these are the categories. Energy, just the vocabulary. Potential and kinetic. What's your potential? All the forms of energy. More forms, and then energy transformations. So that means when it goes like from kinetic to potential and that kind of stuff. All right, so here we go. Pick one. We'll start with Naomi.
How about energy vocabulary for $100?
Okay, let's see. It's not working. Hold on. That'll suck. Okay. It's not working. Dang it. Okay, so let's just see. All right, this is energy vocabulary for $100. Any, push or pull, and then you ask the question, right? So, or you type it in. What is force? Type it in. Well, since you guys are here, yeah, and there's nobody else here, we'll just, you know, if someone else comes, then we'll type it in. What is force? That is correct. Then, all right, oh, well, that's working. I wonder why this isn't. My pointer isn't working. What is this? Oops, no, we don't want that. All right, so what is force? That's right. So we'll just go and see what else we can do here. Okay, this is still energy vocabulary down there in the corner. We're just going to go down the row because my pointer isn't working. Dang it. Stored energy based on an object's position.
What is kinetic energy?
Okay. Do you have an answer?
I know this. I don't know why I can't think of it. What is...
Potential energy.
Okay. I was thinking, wait, no, it's potential.
Okay. All right. So you guys have to keep track. I don't have paper and pencil. You have 100 points. There you go. That's good. All right. What are the types of type of energy a moving object has?
What is kinetic?
What is friction?
Okay. Kinetic energy. So when something is moving, it's kinetic. This is going to help you. It will. What's the ability to do work or cause change? What's this all about?
What is
Energy.
Hey, if you think it's the same thing, write it in.
Do we both get it?
Yep.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so remember that the ability to do work is energy. All right. 2 variables that affect kinetic energy. Big hint, think about the equation.
Mass? What is mass
and velocity?
Oh, there
Yeah,
you
I
go.
was about to say
Split the
velocity. I wasn't too
points.
sure.
Split the points. Mass and velocity.
So what, 250 each?
250 each. Good. And yeah, just remember, and just, you know, let's do something a little, there's a question outside of this. Which affects kinetic energy more, mass or velocity?
Mass?
Velocity.
Why velocity?
Because it's 1/2 mass times velocity squared.
Squared, because the velocity is squared, yeah. All right, good. So now we're in potential and kinetic energy. For 100, the object with the most potential energy in this picture.
Is it, wait,
The well.
are
What
they
is the
moving?
well?
It looks like they're all moving. The object, what did you just say?
I said the well.
The whale. I think it's based on, Their height in the picture. So you said the whale, you said the elephant. What is the whale? Because it was up higher than the rest. Okay. Next, if he was swinging, when would he have the most potential energy?
At the very bottom.
Yeah.
The most potential energy.
Oh, when he's at the top, when he's up here before he goes.
I know this climax. I'm sorry,
Yeah,
it's
I'm
climax.
those
At the highest point?
Yeah.
At the highest point of the swing. Okay, if you both get it, we'll split the points. 100 and 100. Okay. As an object's height increases, its potential energy.
increase.
Yeah.
Which one? Is it an increase or is it a decrease? Potential energy is based on height.
This game's very.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Okay, so an object's velocity doubles, its kinetic energy will.
Double. Well, no, it would. If that.
This is,
Increase. I'm just saying increase.
it will increase.
Yeah, it will increase. It will multiply by 4.
Quadruple. Okay, let's see. It will quadruple, and increase is good too. So split the points. Split the points. Because you really have to know your math to do. All right, good. Ready? Next one. What is the relationship between mass and energy? The relationship between mass and energy. This one's kind of hard.
It's mass time. I think I just made that way harder than it needs to be.
The more massive an object, the more energy it
Yeah,
has.
so I was trying to make it way harder.
Do not, don't make it too hard. All right. So now we are in what's your potential? The type of potential energy the object has. So we're looking at this. What type of potential energy does this object have?
Oh, the hamburger?
Yeah, potential energy. Okay. Potential energy can be broken down into different things, okay? So, and again, if you guys haven't gotten this far, I understand that you might not know the answer, but this is where, you're kind of studying. Any guesses?
The type? How many types are there?
I think four or five. Think about when you eat.
I don't know. I don't even think I've looked at this part.
I haven't
Okay.
gotten to this part. No.
Okay. So it has chemical potential energy because when you eat something, it gets broken down in your body into chemicals that release into your bloodstream. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's okay. We're good. There you go. Here's an easy one. What type of potential energy does this object have?
Wait, I can't even say that. I was gonna say kinetic.
No, it's a type of potential energy. And okay, what is it based on?
Motion. Speed.
Downward.
So,
Physical. Oh my goodness.
okay. Hi, Lexi. We are playing a game that it's not really working, so we're just going through and answering all the questions. So put your name in one of the notepads and no worries. Just answer the questions as we go and we're going to give you points. And the winner gets a sucker. And I guess we'll have to prorate your answers. Okay, so this is the question. What type of potential energy the object has? And Naomi said height. Tay said physical. Lexi, do you have an answer?
That one, no?
We'll see. Motion. Okay, let's see. It has gravitational potential energy. And to be honest, that is based on height. Okay? So we'll give Naomi those points. And when you see, seriously, when you see something up in the air, potential energy is based on height. Okay? And and the other thing is that you said based on motion or speed or something.
Yeah, that's not speed.
As it comes down the track, I guess, it changes from potential to kinetic. So down at the bottom, it's all kinetic. In the middle, it's half potential, half kinetic. So in that instance, you're kind of right. Okay, what type of potential energy does this object have? Hint, let's see. Think about a rubber band.
Tension.
I don't know.
I'm not how to spell tension.
Okay. We know what the word is. I know what you're saying. He's saying tension. Oh, I didn't start my webcam. Electrical. Okay. Elastic. Think of a rubber band. Is that what you meant? And
Yeah,
seriously.
like tension, like you like wind up around.
Like a spring. Like a spring. Yeah, okay, that's good. And that would be good. We'll give those points to Tay. So that was 300 points. Okay. See, if I knew how to do 2 computers, this would work better. So next quarter, we're going to do more. All right, what type of potential energy does this object have? Ooh. What type? Again, that's a good answer. Good answer.
I don't know what's it doing. What is it doing? Is it jumping?
Jumping isn't one. I'll just tell you that. Spring. Lexi, any answers? That's okay, guys. If you don't know, it's not like, you're flunking a test. You're just missing out on a sucker, that's all. Okay, ready? Elastic potential energy.
Again?
So, yes.
I
So
would check
spring
that.
is good. That's exactly what it would be in reference to. All right, last one. What type of potential energy does this object have?
Chemical.
Write it down.
Down. Can't spell.
CHEM. All right, we might have to split this one 3 ways. I guess we'll just give you each 150. Yes, good job. So see, even in chemistry, there's physics. Okay, you ready? Let's go on to the next one. These are forms of energy. What type of energy does an unused battery have?
Potential.
Write it down.
None.
No. No, this is unused, so there's still all
It's
that
still
energy
none,
in.
though.
There's still, you can still put this into a camera or I don't know.
I am clearly can't spell.
Spelling. How do you
Lexi says electrical.
do it?
And Tay is going to say electrical. Are you ready? Chemical.
Down.
Okay, and think about, chemistry, and again, it's going to release electrons, right? And that's all chemistry. Hoo-ha. Okay, pedaling a bicycle. What kind of energy do you have when you're pedaling a bicycle?
I don't even remember 2 types of energy.
What are the 2 main types of energy?
plastic and chemical.
No, no, you're thinking about different types of
Oh.
potential energy. There's potential energy and,
Kinetic.
okay, no, it's not a thing. Okay, ready? Ready? What? Mechanical! Okay, I'm going to take kinetic because it's motion. All right? Kinetic is good. So, Tay and Naomi? Okay, what kind of energy does this plant, what energy that a plant takes from the sun? What energy does a plant take from the sun? Lexi, are you still thinking? Okay. You don't need to erase all your, okay, chemical. Let's see. Electromagnetic. I'm just going to give each one of you 100 points for that one because, yeah. You kind of needed to. But solar, yeah, solar energy. Solar energy is that energy that you take and you store it in those like panels, or you store it somewhere to be used later.
That's
A
what
plant,
plants do.
but plants don't store their energy, they use it right away. Plants take the energy from the sun and then they grow.
What about the one plants that only bloom at night, or like every 100 years or so, and they like store up the energy in the little plant stomachs and then like release it?
Hmm. Okay, so I don't know about that one, but I'm gonna take your word for it. Oh yeah, isn't there one kind of cactus called the 100-year cactus or the century cactus or
Yeah.
something? I guess, yeah. Okay, what kind of energy? When ice cream melts, it gains some kind of energy because it's changing from a solid to a liquid. Chemical. Kind of makes sense. What kind of energy does the ice cream gain? Thermal. Okay, makes sense because it's melting, so it's getting warm. All right, so microwaves, the actual wave energy, are a form of this type of energy. Really? Electromagnetic. If you would have said radiation, that would have been right. I heard you say radiation. Okay, so it's electromagnetic. All right. Ready? These are more forms of energy. A battery in use produces.
Electron.
Okay. And chemical. Electrical. Okay, think about what a battery is actually doing. Your computer has a battery. You know, all those things that have batteries. Good job. Tay and Lexi. 100 points each. We'll give you 100 points each. That way we don't have to. All right. The energy produced by friction between two objects. Think what happens when things are being What happens when you rub things together? What happens to those two things when you rub your hands together? What happens?
Oh my gosh, I got this.
Thermal energy. Nice. Okay, when you rub your hands together, they get warm, right?
Yes, because I was
Friction.
doing that this morning because I am cold.
There you go. All right, let's go. Next. Changing energy from one form to another. What is that called when you change energy? Changing from potential to kinetic.
Is it a type of energy?
Energy changing from one form to another. Nobody? Nobody? Ready? Oops, wait. Gotta put down here where it goes. Energy transformation. Duh. No, I didn't know that one either. Okay. Sound is this form of energy. Think about sound. Other than noise, what kind of energy, what kind of thing do you think of when you think about sound? What kind of picture, I guess? Sound waves, that's good.
I can't think of what it's called because I have an idea of what it could be. But
You didn't type that in there, did you?
God, did I use that? No, I don't even know what it is.
I think she's saying mechanical. Yay! It's a machine, right? Nice. Sound waves, though, if that's a good, it's not a form of energy, but that's the type of thing that you see. So I like that answer. But we're going to give the points to Lexi. 400 points. Daily double. Ready? Ready? So whatever points we get double. Come on. Okay, hydrogen atoms fusing into helium atoms on the sun is a form of this type of energy. Think about those things that we missed. Okay. Okay. You know, it doesn't hurt to just say something and I'm not
I feel like it'll probably end up being electric.
type in or electromagnetic.
Okay.
If you don't know for sure, okay, thermal or chemical, that's good. Thermal or electromagnetic. And Lexi is saying thermal or That's good. That's good. Just going with thermal. Okay. All right, ready? Nuclear.
Now.
Nice try. I think we'll just split the points. 150 for everybody because I liked all your answers. All right, energy transformations. This is the last one, guys. The energy transformation in lightning. There are 3 forms of energy transformation. What are they? Think about lightning and think about all the things that happen. Thermal, chemical, electrical, thermal, electro. Are you saying electromagnetic? Okay. Just put that MAG. Put the MAG next to it. Okay. There's 3 forms, so Three answers. And Lexi, if you can't think of anything, that's okay. Chemical. Anything more, Lexi? Electrical, electromagnetic, and thermal. So we got thermal, electromagnetic, thermal, electrical. All right, we have to split the points. 50 points apiece. Because everybody got something. But again, when you think about lightning, you think about the electric, right? And the electromagnetic, and then the heat is the thermal. Because it is quite hot. Although I've never been struck by lightning, I don't know. So water falling from behind a dam to run a power plant. There are two forms of energy. Falling from the dam to run a power plant. Two forms. Think about falling. Think about running a power plant. Lexi, any, okay, gravitational and nothing else? Okay, kinetic and potential. Lexi is typing. Okay, good answer. Gravitational, yes. Gravity, good. Mechanical to electrical. Good job. Okay, let's go. Next one, because we're running out of time. We've only got two more answers. A fan plugged into the wall. There's two forms of energy. Electrical and chemical, electrical and chemical, electric and... What did you say? Okay. All right, let's see. Electrical and mechanical. So everyone said electrical, so that's good. So everyone gets 100 points. Solar panels, two forms of energy. Thermal and solar, electrical and chemical. Thermal and mechanical, okay. All right, I guess Lexi's, that's it. Her answers, right? Or was that from last time? I don't remember. Electrical and electromagnetic.
Wow, I should use your last one.
All right, last one, guys. The energy transformation that occurs in a fireplace when you're burning logs. Should know one of these right away.
How many other two?
Oh, there's only one, sorry. One. I'm going to say Lexi is taking a break. I don't know. Lexi, are you still there? No? Okay. Ready? Last answer.
There she is.
Oh, there she is. Last answer. Energy transformation that occurs in a fireplace. Burning logs. What is it? What is it? And All right. Chemical to thermal. Okay, you guys all said thermal. You each get 200 points. Woohoo! And that's the end. Oh no, Final Jeopardy. Real quick. The kinetic energy of an object, if it has a mass of 10 and a velocity of 100. I'm sorry. Velocity of 10. I just told you what 10 squared was, didn't I? I get excited, yeah. Again, if you need a calculator, use the one on your computer. We need the wow, it looks like you have 500 more points. But that's your
That's
answer.
my answer.
Okay, so Naomi's answer is there. Okay, Tay, where'd you get the 5 from? Just tell me where you got it from.
Half of the 9.
That's right. Good. Times.
You need a multiply.
You need a multiply, not a divide.
multiply.
There you go. All right. Remember, 1/2 mass times velocity squared, and it is 500. So Tay and Naomi, 500 points. And that's it, guys. All right. So the whole idea here was to learn a little bit more about energy and all the different types of energy, because next week is the final, and it's going to be a lot on energy. So if you want to go back and watch this again, it's recorded, and so you can just learn more about energy. Alrighty, guys, thanks for coming. Would have been more fun with more people, but I'll try it again when I can actually work it. All right.